I'm so tired of second guessing myself. Had to reevaluate, check on my health. Cause 2020 was a mess in itself. And all my plans went out the window in the flash. I know you felt what I felt. It's all a part of the process. I was still in the gym.
Welcome to the vlog. I've been wanting to do this for a while and kind of bring you guys with me and show you a little bit of the behind the scenes of what my life is. And this week we are mostly just going to be editing stuff, having a couple of meetings. We also have 4 different shoots and we also have kickboxing graduation. So I'm going to try and take you guys with me into all of this stuff and show you a little bit of what this life is like. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of weird, but we'll make it happen.
Standing in the rain, ice cold with my garments wet. Cause when it rains or pours, let the pain keep your heart in check. You see, I'm here for the marathon. It's clear I carry on. It's clear what Jerry's on. My aura is very strong. They say the time will tell. I've waited very long for it to bubble up like Dom Perignon. Don't hit me now, boy, that ship sailed. 2021 shit, shout out to Mixwell. He got me on the beat, I turn around, write the script well. The way I'm sliding on, it's like a car.
Tired of editing wedding films. Yeah, I've got a wedding film that I need to deliver that I want to get done before Christmas, which means I have about 3 weeks left editing and training. That's pretty much what we're doing this week. Also, how's this sounding? Because I just got a new microphone and I'm hoping it sounds good because it was a little bit expensive. It's the Sony ECM M1 as recommended by many of YouTubers. I'll admit I was a little bit skeptical, but I do have to give it to them. It is pretty cool just going off of no cables, which kind of makes me want to get the DJI mics as well because they have the Sony hot shoe adapter. I don't know, we'll see about that.
Turn off the lights, I no longer take no advice. I'm more calm when not being told. Lot of ice in my Miami Vice. I'm not known, but I'm on my way. By the way, I roll up these dice. You can tell I don't gamble, only put dough on shit I know like. The back of my hand, perhaps you like to shoot craps. Well, if that's your vice, I hope you win. Throw caution to wind, stay up all night at least till 10. But if we do, we sleeping in this mattress nice. My cash is ashes to ashes, burn fast as passenger flights. Don't know no absence, it go 500 asking. Am I right? Got people praying and passion alone will last them. That's alright. You gotta fall a couple times to be a winner, flashing lights. The jackpot is singing, it's spring and it's summer, gon' crack some ice. The temperature rising, take on advisement, it's your life. I'm more grown, so no more bitching and whining Sonoma, right?
I think I'm out of commission for training this week because I think that I tore a tendon. Like I can't really move my arm like more than this up. Like I can't do this. So I'm taking some medicine, trying to give it some rest. So for the first time in I don't know how long, I'm not gonna be training. Probably for the whole week, maybe more, and if this gets any worse, I'll have to go and see a doctor. I'll see you guys for the rest of the week. Also, how do you like this new look? I got a Sony 11mm 1.8, and this is like stupid wide. Like I am literally like right here. I'm touching the lens. So I'm like this distance away from the lens, like right now, and you can see me. And like I knew it was wide when people told me it was wide, I just didn't know it was like stupid wide. I'm using it on an A7C II, so it is crop sensor lens on a full frame camera, but still, like, look at this shit. It's fucking insane.
Consumes me, consuming pancakes and syrup. The new me, same as the old me. So if you knew me, you sure as hell recognize I just need to be stable like using stirrups. Looking back a few, I ain't had the same attitude I do now. Used to spend my day doing shit, I would just assume up and quit. Cause getting by is for the birds, I'd rather fly like a jet. I don't got a shirt or a tie or a pair of attire left. When I'm tired, I hit my room and retire, lie up and rest. I save my SUV tires by driving less. More inspired to try a Michelin star, but still I ain't yet. I could spend my day on my lawn, and although I know it's too long, I've been meaning to cut it off. Like relationships I don't want, I'll be out of bed before dawn, too excited to get it on, and then done by like 2 p.m. and then party like after prom. Ain't a part of me that feels like, oh, I ought to be to belong. Blame the artist and me for not being modest, but I'm a savant. Used to spend my day at a job I ain't asked for and didn't want, to make dough to pay for the clothes to go to work. And come on.